Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Max class. We can start our class with dua for knowledge. Rabbi yassir wala tuwassir wa tarmim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. So in the previous class we studied some word problems based on multiplication and division, isn't it? So today we are going to study a new thing, that is four operations together, that we already studied in the previous classes. But today when four operations are came together in a problem, we can use one rule for doing that problem, that is Dimas rule. This is a rule for solving when four operations together came. What are the four operations? That is addition, multiplication, division and subtractions. When these four operations together came in a problem, we can use this rule. This rule means D means division, then M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. When these operations came in a problem, we are using these steps to solve that problem. അതായത് നമുക്ക് ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലത്തിനകത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഈ നാല് ഓപ്പറേഷൻസും ഒരുമിച്ച് വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം അതിനകത്ത് ഡിവിഷൻ ചെയ്യും, പിന്നെ അതിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യും, then addition solve ചെയ്യും, then last subtraction solve, then we will get the final answer. Okay, then for example I will show one example. Five into 12 plus 6 into 8. Look at this question. Here is two operations, isn't it? Here is multiplication and also addition is here. Here two operations are here. Among these two operations, first we have to do multiplication, because addition മുന്നേ ആയിട്ട് ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആണല്ലേ. ആദ്യം ഇവിടെ ഡിവിഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ആദ്യം ഡിവിഷനേ ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളായിരുന്നു. Then we will do multiplication, then we will do addition. So here there is only two operations, that is multiplication and division. ഇവിടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും multiplication and addition, ഇവിടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും അഡിഷനും മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പം among multiplication and addition we have to find first multiplication. Okay, so here is two multiplication, രണ്ട് multiplication ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇതിൻ്റെ രണ്ടിൻ്റെയും പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടിട്ട് ആ കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസറിനെ നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം we will get the final answer. So first we have to find 12 into 5. This one we want to do first. Okay, 12 into 5 is 5 2s are 10, 1 is remainder, then 5 1s are 5, then plus 1 6. So the product we get from 5 into 12 is 60, then plus 6 into 8. So what is 6 into 8? 6 into 8 is 48. So 60 plus 48. You have to add 60 plus 48. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 108. These were the steps you have to follow for solving a problem when more than one operation came. So here it is two operations, that is multiplication and addition, then we find the answer. Did you understand this? That is, today we studied Dimas rule. What is Dimas rule? Dimas means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. When these four operations came together, we have to find first the answer of division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Then only we will get the correct answer. Okay. Then one more example I will show. The next question is 30 into 14 divided by 7 plus 2 minus 5. Look at this question. Here is four operations, isn't it? Multiplication is here, division is here, then addition is here, subtraction is also here. Four operations together came here. Then first we have to find which operation. Here it is division from Dimas rule. First is division. So first we have to find the answer of this one. That is 30 into, we know that 14 divided by 7 is what? 14 divided by 7 is 2. 7 2s are 14. So the answer is 14 divided by 7 is, the quotient is 2. Then plus 2 minus 5. Okay. Then division is solved. Then the next one is what? M is here, that is multiplication is here. We have to multiply these two numbers, that is 30 into 2. Multiply this one, 30 into 2, 0, 6. That is 60, you got 60. Then plus 2 minus 5. Then we know that when addition and subtraction came together, first we have to solve addition. Adyam addition cheythu pinne subtraction cheyanam. Okay, then 60 plus 2 is 62. Then minus 5. Then solve 62 minus 5. We will get what? 57. Isn't it? So you got the final answer. So what we studied today is four operations. When four operations came together, we have to find the we have to solve the problem by using a rule. That rule where you are studying first time in this class, that is Dimas rule, that is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then when that operations came together, you have to find the answer of division first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Then we are moving to do the exercises based on Dimas rule. Textual page number 35. First question, 5 plus 3 into 6. Look at this question, 5 plus 3 into 6. Here is two operations. What are the operations here? The first one is addition, then multiplication. Using Dimas rule, the first we have to find the product of these numbers. Multiplication first we have to do. So 3 into 6, we know that 3 into 6 is what? 5 plus 3 into 6 is 18. Then we have to find 18 plus 5. That is 18 plus 5, we know that 23. You understand? Then moving to the next. 8 minus 8 divided by 8. Okay. Look here, here is again two operations, that is subtraction and division. So first we have to do the division. First we have to find the quotient of these two numbers. Then that number we have to subtract from 8. So the step is like this: 8 minus, we know that when we divide the same number from the number, we will get the answer 1. Okay, 8 minus 1 is 7. Then moving to the next example. (64 divided by 8 into 4). Here again two operations, that is division and multiplication. When division and multiplication came together in a problem, we have to do first division. So 64 divided by 8. That is, we know that 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. The remainder is 0. The quotient is 8. So 8 into 4. We know that 8 into 4 is 8 4s are 34. For doing this problem easily, you have to study by heart all the tables of the tables from 1 to 10. You have to study by heart. So today we studied a new rule, Dimas rule. I hope you understand this class. Today's class is over. Assalamu alaikum.